Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AWSM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute? In case you're new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but this one has started to show some signs of progress and some signs of strength. When you factor in that just a few days ago, the price was all the way down here. Now it's worked its way up to that point. Don't get me wrong, there's still a whole lot of work that needs to be done, and I get it from the highs today. There is a pretty big pullback. But relatively speaking, from where the price was over here to where it is right now, yeah, the bulls have shown some signs of strength, but that does lead to the more than valid question now of, but is there any sort of true strength? Is there any sort of genuine power, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question quite straightforward. And in my mind, the key level to watch going forward now is 32 cents. Why is 32 cents important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 32 cents. If the price were to come down here to 32 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that'd be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved in that manner, and then began to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 32 cents. What about levels of resistance moving forward? First key level to watch going forward going to be right here at the 35 cent mark. If you go through the history of the chart, you can see that this level definitely has struggled whenever it's gotten right up around that area. Not saying that the price can't break through it or anything like that. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us via the chart here, the price is really going to need to bring it to A game to be able to not only get above that level, but stay up above it. So keep a close eye on 35. All in all, though, anyway, you look at it, good start to the week. Nice upwards price movement, and not just a question of can the price start to show some signs of progress and build upon this momentum going forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.